The occupation of a production or operations manager, forestry, is not an entry-level position. This is a demanding occupation that requires extensive experience both in forestry and business operations. One of the key tasks these managers undertake is to ensure that harvesting targets are reached while keeping in line with environmental constraints set by legislation. Production managers also oversee the company's employees, plan work schedules, manage transportation of plant and laborers to various sites, schedule equipment maintenance, and ensure that safe procedures are followed in the harvesting and logging process. Production managers have usually spent a number of years working in the various areas of forestry, such as silviculture and harvesting, before moving into this position. These managers direct the full range of management tasks of a forest plantation operation. They schedule the mapping of areas of a forest and estimate the timber yield that these areas would provide. They monitor the trees within these areas to ensure healthy growth, and they also determine the best time for harvesting. They oversee the planning of roads to the areas of the forest to be harvested. Once an area has been harvested, the manager plans and directs reforestation procedures, the pruning of saplings, and the monitoring of forest growth. They schedule the thinning of dense forest areas and schedule controlled burns to reduce brush that may fuel dangerous wildfires. Production managers carry out regular field inspections to ensure that the production, harvesting, and forest protection plans are on schedule. These managers ensure that forest roads are adequately maintained so that logging equipment and logging trailers can move between the logging site and the national road system. Forest operations managers manage a number of supervisors and their teams, as well as multiple job sites. The manager coordinates the work plans for supervisors and their teams. They ensure that all the workers have received the necessary training. Operations managers plan and control the budgets for the various aspects of the operation, as well as the costing and financial forecasts. Although this is largely an office-based occupation, most forestry managers are stationed in areas located in rural settings. Managers spend time outdoors in the harvesting and production areas, checking the progress of the various teams and ensuring that the various work schedule deadlines are met. A relevant qualification in forestry and extensive experience in the industry is usually a requirement for this occupation. Recent graduates often begin their careers by carrying out tasks such as the elementary surveying involved in forestry inventory or forestry engineering projects. They may work in logging teams or act as forestry supervisors. This training period is meant to provide a solid understanding of forestry operations from the bottom up. These managers will require excellent organization and communication skills and should enjoy working and interacting with other forestry professionals. They also need to manage and oversee multiple projects simultaneously. Progression may involve moving into a more corporate position within the company. Some individuals with extensive experience and the relevant postgraduate qualifications may move into forestry or wood science research or consulting.